Okay, so I've made some pretty major changes here since my last video. What I did was I had this edging that ran in front of the garden. It's got a tube on the top edge of it. So I decided I wanted to make that part of the irrigation system. Now, when I did that, what ended up happening was I lost all the pressure from the system I had going. I've kind of figured out since then why. And I believe if the system is capable of diverting more water out of the bottom of the system than can flow into the top of the system, I can't pull the 6.5 feet of water pressure or the syphon off of the overflow system. What I did here was I added a clear tube onto the bottom so that I can tell when the system is actually backing up and pressuring up for me. And just starting to overflow now, so we should start to see the water rise up here as the system starts to pressure up. You can see we're overflowing, and I'm starting to get water out of the edging in front of the garden. Now, as that system backs up, and I got more flow into the system than is flowing out of the system, the water rises, and it starts to create pressure. It's about 6 feet of water pressure, so I looked that up, and it's approximately 2.5 psi or something I can get on this. But there it goes. And I still got the diversion here that runs over to the same valve that I had before, except now, because I wasn't getting the pressure that I needed, I tied my second overflow into the system so that I can pull not only the 1 inch of water from here, but I also get an inch of water from here, and that makes sure I fill the system. It backs everything up. So we're about halfway up now. Maybe about a psi or something. As it sucks air in through the back, you can see it. It rises up through this gauge unit. And as the system backs up, I create more and more pressure here. I put the sprinklers that were in the garden on this valve here, but this is open and just drains all the time because, as you can see, when you get pressure, it shoots water about 2 feet. So I don't have to worry about it flooding the house or the water running back towards the foundation of the house. I plan on making a couple more adjustments today. I'd like to actually put a control panel down by the window so that if it is raining, you can just open the window downstairs and do whatever you need to do to dump the overflow water, or turn on or off the sprinklers, or whatever you want to do. Well, keep in touch. I'll be posting another video soon. Thank you.